Welcome, everyone. You're listening to our English Learning Podcast. Today's topic is English Learning Tips for Students. How to be a good English student, easy daily study plan. That's a long title, but don't worry, we're going to make it simple and fun.
Exactly. Many students want to improve their English, but they don't know where to start. Some feel nervous, some feel bored, and others don't have a clear study plan. But today, we'll share easy tips you can follow every single day.
Think of this episode like a guidebook. We'll give you a clear path to becoming a better English student, step by step.
And remember, learning English should be enjoyable. You don't need to study for 5 hours a day. Even short, smart study habits can make a big difference. So, let's begin with the big question. What makes a good English student?
Well, first, a good student is consistent. They practice a little bit every day instead of only once a week.
Right. It's like going to the gym. If you exercise once a month, nothing changes. But if you go a little every day, you see progress.
Another quality is curiosity. Good students ask questions. They don't just memorize, they try to understand how the language works.
Exactly. And I think another point is being brave. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes, but mistakes are actually a sign you're learning.
Yes, if you're not making mistakes, you're probably not trying enough. A good English student accepts mistakes, learns from them, and moves on.
Now, let's talk about common mistakes students make when learning English.
Number 1, depending only on grammar books. Grammar is important, but if you only study rules and never speak, you won't improve communication.
True. Number 2, avoiding speaking practice. Many students say, I'll start speaking when my English is better, but that's backwards. You get better by speaking.
Yes, and mistake number 3, comparing yourself with others. Some students feel discouraged when their classmates are faster, but everyone has a different journey.
Exactly. And mistake number 4 is expecting fast results. Learning English is not magic. It takes time. But every day you practice, you're building your skills.
All right, here's the big part. How to make a daily study plan that's realistic and easy.
In the morning, spend just 15 minutes listening to English, like a short podcast, an audiobook, or even music.
Yes, you can do this while brushing your teeth, cooking breakfast, or on the bus.
Afternoons are perfect for focused study. Spend 20 to 30 minutes on vocabulary and grammar.
Write new words in a notebook. Try to use them in sentences immediately.
Evenings are for fun practice. Watch a TV show, YouTube video, or movie in English.
Turn on English subtitles. Listen, read, and repeat phrases out loud.
Before bed, spend 10 minutes writing a short diary in English.
Yes, write about your day, what you did, what you learned, how you felt. This improves writing and memory.
Flashcard apps, Anki or Quizlet. Shadowing, repeat after native speakers. Language partners online. Journaling and storytelling. English games. Role play. Example, H1 pretends to be a waiter in a restaurant. H2 orders food in English. Do this slowly, repeat sentences, explain vocabulary.
English is not only in books. You can learn from daily life.
Yes, change your phone language to English. Write your shopping list in English. Even follow your favorite hobbies in English, like football, cooking, or technology.
Exactly. Don't just study English, live in English.
How do I stop being shy?
Start with small conversations. Even saying hello or thank you is progress.
How many hours should I study daily?
It's better to study 20 minutes every day than 2 hours only on weekends.
How can I improve my writing?
Keep a journal, join online writing groups, or write short stories.
So what did we learn today?
A good English student is consistent, curious, and not afraid of mistakes.
And with a simple daily plan, morning listening, afternoon study, evening shows, night journaling, you can improve step by step.
Remember, English is a journey. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep moving forward.
Thank you for listening. Practice your English every day, and you will see results. See you in the next episode.